2026 Keystone Cougar 1776 edition 316 ROS is on the lot right now at Rich & Sons RV headquarters. And this one grabs your attention right away. The patriotic flag-inspired exterior gives a bold, eye-catching look that stands out wherever it goes. Step inside and you'll find a roomy rear living layout with 3 slides, feeder seating, a trifold sleeper sofa, and an open feel that makes it easy to relax. The kitchen island adds prep space and a hidden pantry tucked behind the TV and fireplace that gives you a smart, out-of-the-way storage. Up front, the private bedroom and full bath give you the comfort you want for longer trips. With features like a large refrigerator, tankless water heater, and washer and dryer capability make this Cougar ready for real camping convenience. If you want a fifth wheel that looks sharp on the outside and feels comfortable on the inside, come see the 2026 Cougar 1776 edition 316 RLS today at Rich & Sons RV headquarters in Grand Island, Nebraska, or view it online at www.richsonsrv.com.